Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be making hand-pulled noodles. First, you will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Please add it to your mixing bowl. Then you will need 1.5 cups of water, but I'm going to add it slowly into my batter. Add a little salt and continue to mix. Please knead the dough for about 3 to 5 minutes by hand. Please continue to add water as you knead the dough. Add a little grapeseed oil as you knead the dough. After kneading the dough, please let the dough rest for about 15 minutes. After letting the dough rest, please knead the dough for another 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the texture will change. The most important factor is the amount of time you let the dough rest. We're going to store the dough in a container overnight. The longer you have the dough rest, the smoother the texture will be. The dough looks like it's ready, so what we're going to do is cut a small piece and roll it. Drizzle some grapeseed oil on the dough. I'm going to flatten it out a little bit and then cut it out into small pieces. And then roll it with a rolling pin. Proceed to roll out the rest of the dough pieces the same way. As you can see, I'm stretching it out and flattening it at the same time. Once you have your pieces ready, please pull gently. Bring a medium pot of water to boil. Pull as you drop the noodle into the boiling water. The noodles should be soft and stretchy at this point. As with anything, practice makes perfect. Just take your time. The noodles take about a minute to cook. And once it's fully cooked, please remove it from the heat and rinse it with cold water. Here are your delicious hand-pulled noodles. Enjoy your meal. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Thanks.